Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have lost your Apple TV remote and it's not working and you want to connect it to a new Wi-Fi network, then this video is going to show you the best working methods in 2026. So first of all, if your Apple TV was previously connected to any Wi-Fi network, this is gonna be easy. So you need to connect your iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network that your Apple TV was last connected to. After that, you need to simply open the control center on your iPhone, then tap on the option of Apple TV remote. Select your Apple TV from the list and enter the code shown on your TV screen. Once it is connected, go to the settings. In the settings, go to the networks. When you are inside the networks, look for the option of Wi-Fi. Now you need to choose your new Wi-Fi network and enter the password using your iPhone. This particular method works instantly if both the devices are on the same network. If your Apple TV is not connecting to any Wi-Fi, you can also use the Ethernet cable. So you need to connect your Apple TV directly to your router using a LAN cable. Your Apple TV will automatically get the internet access with it. Afterwards, again, go to the settings, go to the network, then select the option of Wi-Fi. After selecting it, you just have to simply enter your Wi-Fi network and the password. And once it is connected, you can remove the Ethernet cable. This method is most stable and it works even when nothing else does. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.